Welcome to Millionaire Motion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
When you think of luxury living, you might picture a private jet, a super yacht, or a fleet of exotic cars. But for billionaires, true luxury is often found at the very top, literally. I'm talking about penthouses. Not just any penthouses, but the world's most expensive ones, perched high above iconic skylines, with private pools, sky gardens, personal elevators, and price tags that make even millionaires blink. These homes in the sky aren't just apartments, they're statements of power, wealth, and exclusivity. In today's video, we'll step inside the most jaw-dropping penthouses in the world, the ones only billionaires can afford to call home. New York City, the billionaire capital. Let's start in New York City, often called the billionaire capital of the world. Manhattan is packed with ultra-luxury skyscrapers, but the penthouses take things to another level. One of the most famous is Central Park Towers penthouse, which recently hit the market for over $250 million, making it one of the most expensive homes ever listed in the US. This three-floor masterpiece sits more than 1,400 feet above the city, with sweeping views of Central Park and the entire Manhattan skyline. Inside, it offers over 17,000 square feet of living space, private elevators, a ballroom, and ceilings so high they feel endless. It's not just a home, it's practically a palace in the sky. Then there's 432 Park Avenue, another billionaire favorite. Its penthouse was sold for around $88 million, featuring minimalist design, floor-to-ceiling windows, and views that stretch from the Hudson River to the Atlantic Ocean. These kinds of spaces aren't just homes, they're trophies for the ultra-wealthy. London, old money meets new luxury. Now let's cross the Atlantic to London, a city where old money and modern luxury meet. One Hyde Park is home to some of the most expensive penthouses in Europe. The top units here have been sold for over $200 million each, boasting bulletproof glass, private wine cellars, and even access to a 24/7 concierge service run like a five-star hotel. What sets London penthouses apart is the blend of historic charm and cutting-edge luxury. Billionaires here want the security of private spaces, but also the prestige of living in one of the world's financial capitals. The penthouses at One Hyde Park deliver exactly that, with finishes crafted by world-class designers and security systems fit for royalty. Monaco, the playground of the ultra-rich. If there's one place that screams billionaire luxury, it's Monaco. This tiny country on the French Riviera has more millionaires and billionaires per capita than anywhere else in the world. And it's here you'll find one of the most expensive penthouses ever built, Tour Odeon's Sky Penthouse. Valued at nearly $400 million, this 35,000 square foot, multi-level penthouse comes with its own private rooftop infinity pool that literally curves around the edge of the skyscraper. Imagine swimming high above the Mediterranean coastline while superyachts glitter in the harbor below. This isn't just a penthouse, it's a billionaire's playground in the sky. Dubai, futuristic luxury in the desert. Next, let's fly to Dubai, the city that has redefined luxury living. Known for its futuristic skyline, Dubai's penthouses are as bold as the city itself. Take the one at Palm Jumeirah penthouse, which sold for over $100 million. With panoramic views of the Persian Gulf, Burj Al Arab, and Palm Jumeirah, this penthouse is the definition of futuristic luxury. Features include private spa facilities, custom Italian interiors, and even butler service. In Dubai, it's not just about living at the top, it's about living in a way that feels otherworldly. Penthouses here often include smart home technology, indoor-outdoor living spaces, and amenities like private gyms, cinemas, and glass-walled pools. For billionaires, Dubai offers luxury with a touch of fantasy. Hong Kong, the price of space. In Hong Kong, where space is one of the most valuable commodities on earth, penthouses command astronomical prices. A single luxury penthouse in the Peak area can sell for over $100 million, even if it's much smaller than what you'd find in New York or Dubai. Here, it's not about massive floor plans, it's about location. Billionaires pay for exclusivity and for views of Victoria Harbour and the iconic Hong Kong skyline. Every square foot counts, and developers craft these homes with the most high-end finishes, turning limited space into unmatched luxury. Singapore and AMP, beyond. Singapore, another hotspot for billionaires, has luxury penthouses that blend tropical living with modern sophistication. The Wallach Residence Super Penthouse sold for over $100 million to one of the richest men in the country. Spanning multiple levels with its own private pool and sky terrace, it's one of the most expensive homes in Asia. Other cities like Los Angeles, Miami, and Sydney are also catching up, offering sprawling penthouses with ocean views, rooftop decks, and direct elevator access. For the ultra-rich, these aren't just homes, they're personal kingdoms above the clouds. The psychology of billionaire penthouses. But why do billionaires choose penthouses instead of traditional mansions or estates? For one, penthouses combine status, privacy, and convenience. You're close to the heart of the city but high above the noise, traffic, and crowds. You get the services of a luxury building, like doorman, private gyms, and security, while enjoying a home that feels like your own private castle. There's also the psychology of being on top. For billionaires, a penthouse isn't just a home, it's a symbol of success, a statement that they've quite literally risen above everyone else.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.